Hello, my name is Angel Plata. I'm product manager at Ecler, and we are presenting at the ISE 2020 the Hub14088. This is our our digital router or zoner with DSP for more retail, corporate or hotels applications. We can see here the administrator web page. Because the device is web-based, you can make all the configuration through any browser. This interface allows the installer to configure the device. Okay, we can create users or for different access. We also have a public profile, so no need of credentials to access the control. In terms of inputs, we have up to 6 local different inputs and 8 remote inputs that came through a wall panel like this. This is the EM control one, also for controlling that area. So you can see here we have 3-band equalizer, volume control, high-pass filter, or a gate. Also, for the dedicated microphone and pagers input, we have a frequency shifter. For the outputs, we have 8 outputs, all of them with their own DSP. We have delays, crossover filters for like high-pass filter or low-pass filter. We also have a graphic equalizer for fine adjustment, and a compressor or limiter. Okay. In terms of pagers and daggers, we have up to 4 different modules with their own priority. The remote controls, as I said, like this one, that we can configure for any user all the parameters it can modify, like the volume, the source selection, or the equalization. Finally, we can create pilot panels that are user control panels that can run in any Android or iOS device without downloading the application. Here, we can create panels for different users or for the public profile in a very easy way. Just selecting the users and going to control that area. We select the area we want to control with that panel. The volume control, if we want that user will control we control it. Also, we can change some different graphics. We select also the available sources for that area, and if we want to control the equalization. Finally, we can make some adjustment with like selecting different colors and check it. So you can see here, Adri, can you, okay. You can see here, we have the volume control and every parameter that we have created through the administrator web. Hey, if you want more further information, just visit us at Ecler.com. And thank you very much for watching this video.